Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a brick rod. This powerful fishing tool requires dedication, but its benefits are immense. First, ensure you have played for at least 22 hours and unlocked the desolate deep. Setting your spawn point, there is also a crucial early step. This rod provides excellent resilience and control, making it perfect for catching even the largest fish. Next, your adventure takes you across the map to find 3 hidden white bricks. Interact with each one to progress your quest. After that, you'll need to uncover 2 secret codes. The first code is found beneath a large tree branch in Mushgrove Swamp, and the second is under a bridge in the brine pool. Remember to write these down carefully. Now, prepare to meet the mysterious Minish. You'll need a pufferfish, which is a rare ocean catch, often found in summer with seaweed bait. Minish appears at Harvester's Spike during foggy summer nights. You can use sundial and smokescreen totems to create these specific conditions. Also, equip the correct title that matches the current in-game hour. The final steps are here. First, speak the special incantation to Minish in the chat using your 2 secret codes. Then, hold out your pufferfish and engage Minish in conversation once more. If all steps are correct, you will be instantly teleported to a hidden room. There, you can purchase your new brick rod for 13,337 in-game cash. Enjoy your powerful new tool.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.